Welcome to the channel. Jani here again with Jussi.
Hi.
And we are potentially trying to see the depth of one pond. Is it a mine or what's there? Just that kind of thing. Okay, so Jussi has that fishing equipment with that sonar or probe, and we're going to try to dip it there and see what happens. So I think we just go. Where do we try? Tämän mukaan 3,1 metriä.
Okei. Siitä on vähän keskemmälle. Ei. Tai oikeastaan sivusuunnassa on helpompaa. Nyt siirretään
3,2.
90 senttiä oikealle.
3,1 metriä.
Okei. Sitten
3,2.
Joo. Sitten mä otan tästä aivan tästä vierestä. On nyt järkeä näitä mun mittauksissa.
On. They make sense. 3,2.
Siirrynkö ton nyppylän toiseen?
Kokeile nyppylän toiselle puolelle. Hop.
Tsekkaan, että
So, yes, this is difficult to manage this setup with the branches all around us
Yeah, and my shoes are slippery. Famous last word.
until we end up in the mine.
I can swim. Now it's in the water.
Okay. 7.4 meters.
Wow.
Now it says 2.4.
Ah.
Try again.
Yeah.
2.8, 2.9.
Can I move this?
Yeah,
Slowly moving.
2.8, 2.7. 2.6, 2.3, 2.2, 2.1.
There could be some sort of shelf if it's like.
Yeah, so this end is clearly not 2.3, 2.4.
It was 3 over there. It's probably not on the film. And now it's like 2 something.
Okay, let's change this one. I will do one crazy stunt with it. I will not ask you to do it because if it gets lost, it's my wallet. So
Yeah.
you can take just put it to the ground.
Yeah.
You can put it to the ground.
Where you don't.
Oh, now it gave the wrong measurements when you took hold of it. Okay, that's probably it says now 18.6 meters.
Oh yeah.
So you can keep this one, and can you keep this one in the other hand? I need both hands. For
Yeah.
that. Okay.
Which way
It's recording now.
Yeah. Okay. I'll step
I'll
away
go here.
from you. I go to the. Slippery shoes are not good. Out of water. Apologies for the viewers if I'm not shooting exactly where. Oh wow!
Okay.
Uh, Third, unstable. 2.2, 2.3. At the one moment it was 14 point
But
something.
that was because of me throwing it.
All right. Now it's stabilized to 2.4 meters.
I'm pulling it slowly this way.
2.4, 2.5, 2.6. Sorry if I'm shouting. 2.7. It's just that he hears me also. 2.9. Oh yeah, there's a graph on the bottom. Oh wow! Now there's some. Oh wow!
What does it say?
I'll try to film it. Well, it's like a slope away from you, but not. There was some sort of like notch that went down, but it could have been some. 3.2 is now in the scales. 3.1. That doesn't mean that we know what the quality of the bottom is. It could be. So this is like not just made for recreation, or not at all for recreation, but
Okay.
it is definitely mine. If anything. Wow! Sorry, I forgot to
Okay.
look at the.
This is difficult. Okay, what's now? It's stable.
Stabilizing 6.57 meters.
What?
2. Unstable. 2.1. It now stopped at 2.1, 2.2. There
Because
was.
it's with a delay because of the.
Oh yeah,
It's
okay.
using Wi-Fi.
Yeah, 2.2. Nothing to write home about.
Nothing.
Well, it's not like 50 centimeters or something, so it's definitely deep. And this water color looks like it's from dark from humus. And wish I could film this display while you're reeling it in because it's quite funny.
So, any else you think we should dip this or?
I could volunteer for casting from, say, from that birch or a bit downwards. It
Okay,
could
we
be.
can try that one.
Okay,
I think that's a good one.
you'll probably edit out all the irrelevant parts if
Okay,
there's
yeah.
too much. Hope you're.
So I just hold it with thumb like this, it'll stay
All right.
still. Otherwise, hold it. Okay. I mean, I think this is just a shallow, where they dig out stone and that's it.
Probably.
Or it's filled by centuries of stuff here.
Still, that's because it's so accessible.
Yeah. I mean, there can be so much junk and stuff, and maybe it was already filled when it was a long time ago.
Yeah. How did you?
I removed the cable like that, then I took the ball in my hand and threw it.
Ah, all right.
I told you I took the balls in my hand and threw them to the water.
Yeah.
Okay, there's wait. Now it's okay. Now it's at 4.3, 4.2,
Hey, this looks.
3.9, 4.1, 4.2. I hope we're not standing on the possible entrance then.
Everything is.
3.7, 3.8, 3.9, so way deeper here. This is much deeper, this end.
Same case as with the unnamed place.
3.9 there.
Yeah. The closer you get.
So it's almost 4 meters down.
Okay, so it's.
Jeez.
This 20 something over there was probably something else.
Yeah, it probably didn't sink, but it's still 3.7, 3.8.
Okay, let's.
That's properly
Slowly.
deep.
Closer
I think the thing is we can't get from the other side to throw here, no. There's no fence.
Nobody's.
3.6, 3.7, 3.5, 3.4,
3 something all the time, and now
3.7, 3.5, 3.8. That's properly deep.
and then perhaps a bit on this side of the tree.
For the birch,
Yeah.
4.3,
Aha.
3.1, 4.0.
This is more fun than fishing.
It is. Okay, lift it up and take it to the other side of the tree. But now we know it's almost 5 meters of water there,
Yeah.
and we have no idea what's there, so
Soon I will be floating there myself.
just don't.
Shoes are nice, but very, very small.
Okay, now back in water, 4.2, 4.3, 4.2, 4.3.8, it's getting 4, 4.1. It's pretty deep. There's some vegetation in the bottom. I will show you the screen. A little bit ajan liikkua siinä.
Okay, we're now on the other side of the pond. Maybe you hand the phone to me before you go
That's
near
it.
the water.
It is out of water,
Activates,
but
sorry.
we should have connections too.
Yeah. Out of water, yeah. Sorry if I'm filming. Oops. There are some bees nesting in the ground.
Okay, value.
3.6 meters. Okay, he's going to throw it there if you didn't hear him. Okay.
Without the everything stuck.
Too shallow deep. Yeah, of course, because it's out of water. I just got a crazy idea, but oof.
Okay, very values.
Sorry, I 3.6. 1.7, 2.3, 2.2 meters, 2.1. Everything works now. 2.1, 2.0.
So it works perfectly. So
It works perfectly. Yeah.
it's not deep.
Okay. 2.4 meters, 2.5, 2.8, 3.3. It stabilizes now. 3.5 stabilizes, but it's alive. It's not like stuck. 3.4 meters, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. It's like an auction here. 3.3, 3.2. Not getting deeper. Not getting deeper. It was, yeah, definitely so. There's this cliff that looks so, it looks natural and it looks interesting, and also it's inaccessible almost, unless we had some sort of like safety belt, safety rope. This isn't such a scary place, but it doesn't mean that it's... Sorry, I'm not giving you readings because it's all the same all the time. 2.4, 3.1, 2.4 now, so yeah.
I think that's about it.
That's about it from this side, or
So it's most likely a deep pit.
deep pit, yeah. That's repeating what you say because...
So, most likely a deep pit, maybe
Yeah.
5 meters maximum depth in one spot. It's possible there's more deeper and stuff, but it's, as far as I know, it's really, really old, hundreds and hundreds of years old, so it could be filled with a lot of junk.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what we got from this trip. Okay, see you in the next hole or video, whatever it is.